Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Maria Rose Vlog. And for today's video, guys, we are going to answer some people's question.
Nice.
So, yeah, we're going to answer the question just based on our own experience and opinion.
Okay.
So my husband is gonna listen to, so I will just translate it in English, but first I'm gonna read it in Tagalog. Babasahin ko muna. Ito yung sabi niya. Hello po, meron po akong boyfriend na foreigner. Pero nagtatalo kami dahil po ayok kong mag-send ng picture ko, tapos po sabi niya mahal niya ako pero wala daw po akong magawa para sa kanya. Kaya hindi daw po niya sure kung pupunta siya dito sa Pilipinas. Oh, I get the point. So, she said, babe, she got a boyfriend, foreigner boyfriend, and they always like argue because she don't want to send a picture. And yeah, she meant here that asking for a bad picture. Because yeah, I think siguro nagtatanong sa kanya kasi sabi niya dito, because she said here that he don't want to go in the Philippines because I cannot do the things. She cannot do that. She cannot do the things for him. So that's the thought of what she said. And for me lang, my advice is, if that's the kind of a foreigner that you're talking to, for me, maybe he doesn't really love you, or he just want your body, or that kind of things. It's not that really serious, because he will give you a hard times, like to think, or a challenge about the things, so that he will prove that he loves you. So to prove that you love that person through that kind of thing. So it's not good.
Yeah. Especially you never met in person.
Yeah, it's
you never met in person, you're sending pictures. That's not a good idea. I wouldn't do that. I'm gonna be out there forever. I wouldn't do it. But especially you don't know the guy, you argue a lot.
Yeah, and then especially if you just met in social media for like how many months or maybe weeks, and he's already asking about pictures to you.
Yeah.
Or that's already like a red flag for a guy to ask. And yeah, like those kind of you know what, in dating apps before, if you're gonna be in a dating app, a lot of guys or a lot of people will gonna do that to you. So it's like normal for them, especially if the guy is just there in dating app for like hook up for good times. Because if a person, if it's really interested to you or looking for a genuine relationship, it's not gonna do that.
Yeah.
Like my husband, don't trust too much or don't trust easily. Even that person will gonna send you money, and then exchange of bad pictures of you. We don't know. Maybe they were selling it to their friends, or so some people that has a mental problem about yung mga maniyak. Ang dami na ngayon mga ganyan. Kaya my advice is just be careful. And then a lot of foreigners right now, I heard some people messaging me too that their boyfriend or their chatmate wants to send them a money, and it says that you need to pay this first. You need to pay first so that you can get the money, or you need to send me this money first so that you can get the money. So it's really a big scam.
Yeah. They always warn Americans that Filipinos sometimes will scam Americans, but just as many Americans scam Filipinos. It happens all the time.
Yeah, not
people
just
will
Americans.
just try to go after pictures of you, bad pictures, or try to get money too. I mean, there's a lot of scams out there.
I know. And for some guys are mostly telling that I'm a US Army, or I work here, I work like this, I'm a doctor. I mean, some are real too, but mostly I think they're really a scammer, especially if they will gonna send you a money and then they will tell you that you need to pay me first for this so that you can get the money. That's really a big scam. Meron niyang nangyari na ganyan. May kakilala ako. She's in my family. And then she sent that money. It's like a big amount of money.
That happened to your family? Mm-hmm. Yeah. No, I did not.
It's my,
Oh, that happened. Oh, no.
Yeah, it happens to her a long time ago. And yeah, she got scammed. Because it's supposed to be a guy who will send you a money. You need, if someone will send you a money, you don't need to pay. My husband, I never paid. My husband sent me a money a long time ago. For how many times? And he never asked me that you need to pay this, you need to pay this. Maybe, or some people do, like package. They said, I get a package for you and then you need to pay it first so that you can get. Maybe some are legit, especially if there's a tax. But if you're gonna send the money directly to him, to that person who sent you, for me, it's like a scam.
That's another thing, though. If the guy sees you struggling and he's not helping you out, and he's got the resources to help, but he's just not, that's another red flag. You don't want to, because when you come over here, he's not going to want to help your family. Mm-hmm. He's not going to want to do anything like that. Some people are really stingy. Yeah. So definitely don't send somebody like that pictures. But I mean, even if he sends you money, it's just better to not get involved with that. But
yeah, that's true. So ayun nga guys, no, yung ibig niyang sabihin na pag walang kapalit, hindi daw siya pupunta ng Pilipinas. So hindi naman yun maganda. Pag mga ganyan, red flag na yan. Kaya wag na kayong magpapauto sa mga ganyang diskarte ng mga lalaki. Kahit siguro sa mga Pinoy, meron naman ganyan, depende. Pero especially pag ibang lahi na mga hindi mo nga kilala kung saan yan, ano yan sa lugar nila, yan yung delikado. Kaya mag-ingat-ingat talaga sa pag-meet ng mga foreigner, pag-meet ng mga o mag-ingat-ingat talaga sa pakikipag-meet sa tao kasi hindi natin alam. At tama yung sinabi ng asawa ko na baka minsan merong mga lalaki na ginagawa lang kayong or ibenta yung mga pictures nyo, manyakis, kaya ay nako, pag ganyan na i-block mo na. Ako noon sa mga dating app, pag may nag-chat sa akin na ganyan, binablock ko kaagad yung mga nagsisend ng mga bad pictures. Ay naku. Unang-una pa lang pag ganyan yung gagawin, hindi yan love ang hanap niya, kundi last lang, pampalipas oras. So yan lang mga madam. Magluto muna ako ng kanyang dinner. So I'm gonna prepare your dinner, babe. At because na dito guys, 4:31 PM. Wave ko lang. Tapos ako, yung kakainin ko, ulit, pandesal. At saka yung pizza na natira. Isang piraso na pizza. Lagyan ko din ulit ng cheese. Gutom na talaga siya. Yeah, burrito naman ulit. Burrito is life. Ito yung ginawa ko kahapon. Lagay ko lang to guys sa microwave. Nagugutom na din ako. Yung beef. Damihan ko. Sabi niyo, kuntian ko lang daw para ma-close itong burrito na ginawa ko. Yan lang. May microwave ko lang to ng 30 seconds. Yung sa akin naman guys, sa akin naman, pandesal. My salvation. Cut ko lang to. Sarap ng pandesal. Nabili ito ng friend ko sa sa tawag doon. Restaurant pala yun, yung binilhan niya. Ay, ano pala? Bakery yan pala talaga ang tawag. Star Bread. Yan yung pangalan. Okay na yung aking burrito. And then, yung Spanish. Ay, Spanish yung pizza na ginawa ko last time. Spinach pala, spinach. Ito lang yung muna kakainin ko. Alexa, set the timer for 8 minutes. 8 minutes ko para medyo crispy. Medyo madilim dito. Madilim na kasi na ang hapon. So sa cheese guys, microwave ko lang to ng 15 seconds. Gusto nyo ng madami-daming cheese. Meron pa ako dyan miswa. So, mamaya pag magutom ako, kakain lang ako ng miswa. Pero walang kanin siguro. Sana nga walang kanin. Mag-iba na naman yung diet ko nito. Miswa lang yung katapat. Ito na guys, nag-melt na yung cheese. Meron ako ditong ketchup. Ketchup yung nilalagay niya. Ayaw niya ng salsa. Madaming last time nag-bash sa akin kasi bakit daw yan yung ko nilalagay ko. Dapat salsa. Ayaw niya guys ng salsa. Kaya kung ano yung gusto niya, yan lang din yung sinusunod ko kasi siya naman yung kakain. Madaming nag-bash sa akin. Bakit daw ganyan? Dapat hindi ganyan. Ay naku. Yung tanong, kayo ba kakain, no? Kasi hindi naman kayo yung kakain, di ba? Sundin natin yung yung gustong kumain. Iba-iba tayo ng taste. Konti lang na ketchup. Favorite niya talaga to. Konti lang naman na ketchup yung nilalagay niya. Ayan. Kahit kumain siya guys sa mga Mexican restaurant, ayaw niya ng may salsa. No salsa. Yan yung order niya palagi. Ewan ko ba, parang hindi talaga ako hilig sa ganitong food. Siya na to ang mag-fold. Kasi mas siya, mas mabilis or mas magaling siya mag-fold. Meron din ako ditong guys, balinghoy, cassava. Gagawin ko sana to, lagyan ko ng gata. At may sugar, pero naisipan ko, wag na lang kasi sugar na naman, matamis, bawal. Limit muna ako sa sugar, sa mga matatamis. So ito, ko na lang, nilagyan ko na lang ng konting asin. Pang lang, pang tawid gutom or snacks. Sarap. Ginagawa ko to minsan, puto balanghoy, o yung tawag sa minalanson, or ukoy. Yung ukoy, masarap yung ukoy. Favorite ko yan. Bukas siguro, magawa ako ng ukoy. Ganda ng flower, guys. Yung friend ko na pumunta dito, siya yung nag-design nito. Ang galing niya. Nilagyan ko dito ng bato. Kasi yung maliit last time na vase yung ginamit ko. Kasi sabi ko, na hindi ba siya kasya? So sabi niya, lagyan mo ng bato sa loob. Ayan. Galing niya. Magandang tignan. Bagay siya sa table. Ako, hindi kasi ako mahilig guys mag-design. I mean, may time na mahilig ako, pero hindi ako magaling. Wala akong talent sa ganyan. Siguro, feeling ko, hindi ako talented sa mga decorations. Ito, in-order ko na ito sa Shein. Yung base. This one, sa Shein din, mga dried na flower. Lavender. Mabango yung lavender. And then, meron din ako ditong scented candle na lavender. Para mabango yung bahay. Pag nagpiprito ako ng tuyo. Minsan na ako magprito guys, hindi na araw-araw. Hindi na kasi dito sa amin, bumabaho talaga yung buong bahay pag magprito ako. Kaya iwas-iwasan ko na. Ito na guys, second batch. Nanghingi siya ulit. Oh, ayan. 4 na piraso na yung naubos nito. And then ito naman yung aking dinner. Ewan ko kung dinner ba to. Baka snacks na to sa akin. 5:30. Kakain ako mga alas 9 na naman. Ayan oh. Spinach pizza. And then yung pandesal na may jalapeno cheese. Pandesal na may jalapeno cheese. Masarap to. Deliver ko na to muna ulit, guys. Okay. Kain. Pizza muna. Ito na lang yung natira sa niluto ko nung Saturday. Nakakainin ko ang pandesal na may jalapeno cheese. Masarap to. Crispy. Masarap pala guys yung jalapeno na cheese, no? Ano siya, may amoy. Masarap to lagyan ng yung cheese pimiento. Kape na lang ang kulang. Pero kapag kape na ako kanina, hindi na pwede. Pag mga anak talaga ako, guys. 3 times a day na akong magkape. Kasi noon, hindi pa ako buntis, 3 times a day ako magkape. Ha? Tuwa. Gonna drink guys, prenatal vitamins. Pupunta kami sa labas, mag-walking. Orange yung kanyang scent. Parang Ferus. Wow! Look, handsome! Magpapugi muna siya before kami lumabas. Finally, we're here outside. Sa tinatagal-tagal ng stay ko sa loob ng bahay. Ngayon lang ako ulit nakalabas. Kain ako ng tawag dito, kasaba, balinghoy. Can you throw it there?
What was it?
Ito kasaba. So,
I think
it's fine.
We'll eat it.
Yung mga leaves nalalanta na. Just hold it. It's bright. So I'm gonna walk. Oh, this is a nice view. Look, show it to them, baby. I like it in there. Is it bright? This is my outfit. Pangtulog. Ready to sleep. Is that really cold? You know what, babe? Sometimes I want to try jogging. Let me try. Maybe it's fine. Some people doing that. Or maybe I'm gonna swim, but we don't have a swimming pool. 1, 2. Hello. What? Hi. Why are you filming my feet?
Keeps dropping.
Tignan nyo to, guys. Oh, may sila. May lemon. Sometimes I want to pick some. Is it lemon, babe, or ala? That's a lot.
Don't pick it.
Wow. Ala, pinapabayaan lang nila. Babe, I think it's orange. Wala namang kumukuha dito. Oh. Daming bunga, guys. Next time may oras ka din sa akin. Baoy, dami. Ayan oh. Maybe I can get one. Try ko nga kumuha ng isa. Look at that. Hala. Nalalaglag. Just nalalaglag lang. I wanna get one, babe. Bawal talaga. Hindi naman yung makikita ng owner. Kawatan. Kawatan talaga ako. Babe, be careful. Don't walk too much. Ang ganda ng bahay na yan, guys. Oh. Beautiful. Ito din. This one is a beautiful house. Maraming bahay dito sa Amerika, guys. No? Ang gaganda. Malalaki. Ito, malaki to. Ala. Fall. Ala, I like the color. Fall na, guys. Ang kulay. Ang kulay ng daan. Ang kulay ng daan. Yung kulay ng leaves. So cute. Baby, walk too fast. Oh. Ito, guys, oh. Itong bahay na to, walang nakatira. Pero hindi siya for sale. So it means, ay, careful. Pero hindi nila binibenta kasi sira na yung bintana. Wait. Oh, they were gonna stop for us?
They have a stop sign.
Where's the stop sign?
It's right by your
Okay. Okay, because in the Philippines, babe,
I know.
I'm comparing the Philippines again because sa Pilipinas, ay nako, parang kahit may stop sign, yung ano pa, yung tao pa yung mag-a-adjust. Here, sa Amerika, basta mag-stop sign, stop ka talaga.
They're not optional here.
Yeah. It's not optional in the Philippines.
Philippines,
You need to guess.
If you want to, you can stop.
Yeah. May naglalabing-labing dyan, guys. Oh, sweet naman nila. Daming ano dito. Na date, kumakain. That's all, babe. That's all our walking. Seems like we just walk for like a minute. Looks drunk. Finally, we're home after 10 minutes. 10 minutes? No, it's not 10 minutes. It's too fast. 45 minutes. I'm gonna do dishes. Ay, ipakita ko pala mga madam sa inyo yung ano. Yung stroller. Stroller. Ano na akong stroller. Galing to sa ano. Binili ito ng asawa ko sa ex niya. Binili niya. Maganda to na stroller, mamahalin to na brand ng stroller. Yung brand niya ay Up Baby. Ayan, oh. Ito, ano ko pa to, guys, lalabhan. Ito, para to sa baby pag mag-walking. Ang ganda ng quality na to. Ayan. Hindi ito masyadong nagamit ng anak niya. Kaya sabi niya, siguro yung bili nila dito, ang mahal na siguro nasa ano to, nasa more than $1,000 yung ganitong anong brand ng stroller. Kaya binili niya to sa ex niya. Pero may discount na, syempre, kasi nagamit na. Ay, hindi ko alam paano ba to. Paano ba to i-fold? Alala na. Hindi ko alam, guys. Basta, sabi niya, worth it daw to, kahit mahal. Kasi, tumatagal. Maganda yung quality. Sabi ko, madami namang murahin na stroller dyan. Kanyang... Hindi ko alam paano to. Basta, linisin ko pa to kasi nasa garahe ito ng matagal. Ang asawa ko, maganda to pang ano, pang travel. Gagamit pa to, matagal pa to nagamit. Yung mga alikabok lang. So pag nandito na yung baby, maglalakad kami sa labas. Pero mas prefer ko na kasama ko yung asawa ko or pag may maraming tao kasi ayaw ko na lumakad na kami lang ng anak ko dyan. Di natin alam. At especially, pa-winter na. Wala na masyadong tao na maglalakad-lakad sa labas. Gagawa na siguro ako ng dinner. Babe? Ha? Babe.
Who's taller? Put your head right up against my head. We'll see who's taller.
You get a pointed nose too, so like you.
Got a little advantage.
Like you're insulting me now.
I can reach right on your forehead. My nose.
What? Oh, no, so flat.
Way taller.
You're taller and I'm taller than you.
No, you're not.
Oh, look at the camera. I'm taller than you.
See, but you're closer on the camera. It doesn't mean you're taller. You're just closer to the camera. I'm taller. I'm looking down at your eyeballs.
Yeah, because you're sitting high, oh. Ah, no, it's already my legs, and then your ankle. What is it?
Knee?
My knee?
My shin doesn't look like you're all.
Ala, your knee. Ala, my knee's here.
That's fine.
Ala. Wow, doing the dishes.
Yeah, I just got home from work, doing some dishes.
Oh, you're complaining now. You only have
I'll
two.
make myself some.
You only have one bowl and two pieces of. Just one piece of that.
Maybe I'll do some laundry after this too.
Laundry? Babe, since you met me, since I got here, you never do laundry. You never do laundry anymore. Are you trying to make me feel bad, huh? You only do dishes twice a month? Twice a month?
Twice a month? What are you talking about?
No, that's true.
What?
And then, you never do laundry. I mean, I didn't complain. I'm just telling the truth.
A month is 30 days, okay? A week is 7 days. You're getting your months and your weeks confused.
When is the last time you did the dishes? When we went to... Yesterday. You're such a liar.
I just don't advertise it every time I do it.
Yeah.
I just wash the dishes. I didn't say come and look at me. Wash the dishes. Not seeking recognition.
Are you sure what you're talking about? And that's all for today's video, mga madam. It's already 8 p.m. here. Yeah, gabi na, guys. And then matulog na. Tapos bukas, another day na naman. Mapag-isa ako dito kasi magtatrabaho siya. Bukas gising ako siguro ng mga 5:30 kasi magluluto ako ng breakfast at saka lunch. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name is Maria Rose Vlog 2. Bye-bye, everyone. God bless.